Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set a timer on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Apps tab, and you can find the Apps tab by pressing on the left side of your screen on the Apps icon. And then we're going to go to the Clock app, and here you'll have the Timer tab on the bottom, so press on that. And this is the timer, so you can change the time on the timer by pressing on this icon right here with the time. So I can change it to hours, minutes, seconds. So I can drag it, for example, to, let's just do 1 minute, or let's even do less. Let's do 10 seconds, just to show you that it actually works. So there we go, 10 seconds. Let's do 6. Once I press OK, you can also select the ringtone and the tag. So you can tag and create collections of different alarms. So or this is like a name. So let's just wait for this alarm to stop and see what happens. So there we go. Once the timer finishes, it starts playing this sound. And to mute it, you can just press on the top left to open up the notifications, and the timer noise will stop. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.